In this video, I would like to talk about a bunch of current favorites that I received in July and August 2022. So let's get started. First, I would like to start with a new brand that I tried for the first time, and this one is by Jumiso. Thank you so much, Tal Korean, who provided these products for the review. This one is by Jumiso All Day Vitamin Glow Boost. So this one contains vitamin C and it's in a toner shape. What I love so much, and especially right now in summer, that we don't need too much oil to put on our faces and hold it on our faces throughout the day. This feels like nothing on the skin. So the thing is that it's like a booster for your skincare. So it's preparation before other skincare products on your skin. It doesn't have a scent. It applies like nothing and super lightweight. This is what I love it so much. Another product by Jumiso that was provided by Style Korean is Super Soothing Cica and Aloe Essence Toner. I would like to apply this toner on the top of the previous product that I just mentioned. It feels texture-wise similar to the vitamin C booster toner, but this one has like slightly more hydrating properties. It's also unscented and it's 150 milliliters. You can make like a toner pads. For example, just put this toner on your pads and then stick it to the areas that need some attention. Another one, which is third product by Jumiso, is Waterfull Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Yes, it's a serum and it's in glass bottle, which I love this so much. It doesn't feel like serum on my skin because it's super lightweight. It's a little bit more hydrating than the previous two toners that I mentioned. It's also very nice for soothing effect as well, and I love to apply it even in the morning before my sunscreen. Another product, which is fourth product that I tried for the first time, is by Jumiso Waterfull Haronic Acid Cream. It contains 3 complex hyaluronic acids and also pre and probiotics complex. Feels kind of like thick when you just pick it up from the jar, but once you apply it and swipe it across your face, it feels also very soothing and feels like nothing and extremely lightweight. So it's very nice to wear it like in the morning, for example, right after you cleanse your face. You apply your booster toner, your soothing toner, hyaluronic acid serum, and this cream, and your skin has this natural glow. Like it's not greasy, doesn't give this greasy residues or anything like that. So it's just wonderful to wear it in summer for combination and oily skin types. Another product that I instantly fell in love is by Tirtir Glossy Coating Mist Refreshing Skin. So I was a little bit confused when I just received it because it comes like in the aluminum bottle in the spray, like as if it's deodorant, and you just spray it on your face just like that. And this is the most finest mist that I ever tried. Like compared to the Alba that everybody's talking about, that one is also good and it's also fine, but this one feels like it's the most finest mist. I would recommend this one to dry and combination skin types, and especially like for refreshing throughout the day. Like my skin never feels tight or dry or dehydrated throughout the day when I use this, and especially like after getting out from the shower, I can wear this like immediately, it just take like, I don't know, like few seconds just to spray it. Like I'm not going to spray it on top of my makeup because I'm going to ruin my makeup. It feels so refreshing and it gives this very glowy finish without oily residue. Like I love that so much. Also, I have a couple of skincare products that are not K-beauty. Well, basically, it's in a way K-beauty because Glow Recipe was inspired by K-beauty brands and it's created by Korean American women. And this one is New Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. So I tried the older version of Glow Recipe sleeping mask. It had a scent. It was very gooey texture. It was like kind of like, like imagine you eating like a pudding. So that was the texture of the pudding. Like it's kind of like chunky, I would say. And when you apply it on your face, it feels also kind of like there is something on your skin. So they reformulated this one, and previous version peeled so much on my skin. Like I really hated that product just for the peeling. Like I in general hate products that peel on my skin. So this one is more like a serum texture, but in the jar, or like emulsion. After it's applied, it feels like, you know, like your face is kind of wet. And I applied this, like only I wore a toner, I think, one of those Jumiso glowing or soothing toners. I applied this one before I go to bed, and I didn't feel like tight or dry feeling or anything on the skin, and the finish was matte. It's very interesting. Like it's very interesting texture and how they designed this product, that the finish is not oily or greasy or sticky or anything like that. Like very good job, Glow Recipe, by designing, reformulating this product. Doesn't have a scent because the previous version had a scent of watermelon, as you know, their other watermelon line products. And last but not least is the Fresh Tea Elixir Skin Resilience Activating Serum. So this one not by QR Beauty brand, and I reserve it to the end of my video because it's quite pricey. I got it for the review. So some people will say that, oh, nothing special about this product, like, oh, there is fragrance and blah blah blah, but this is product that is going to substitute your vitamin C products that are sticky and oily and greasy and everything. It applies like nothing on the skin, although it has like a milky texture. It smells like green tea, like pure green tea, very nice and elegant. That, you know, I feel like this is also very soothing scent that when you apply it at night before you go to bed, it's very soothing and it helps you like to fall asleep. Anyways, this product is expensive, yes, because it has some special ingredients. I will put it on the screen because I don't remember right now. And it applies like nothing. It doesn't give a greasy finish, although it's milky and you would think that it's very nourishing serum. So I guess this is all for today. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you get some quick recommendation for your future purchases. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like. And I hope you're having a great day. And I'll see you in my next videos. And bye-bye.